Hey, it's Brandon coming to you from Mills GM in Baxter, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 2019 GMC Terrain Denali. Stock number 2G210103A. Denali. You've got all the bells and whistles on this. You got cameras up the wazoo, a camera here for front surround vision, 2 cameras on the side mirrors and on the back, parking sensors front, rear, LED daytime running lamps. And look at the precision on this. Inside this light, it says GMC Terrain. That is precision right there, my friends. Fog lamps as well. This is actually bought new here, serviced here, and this has the 2.0 turbo with tow. Can't find that very often nowadays on these Terrains. Blind spot monitoring on the mirrors, WeatherTech floor liners front and rear, power seats on both sides that are heated and ventilated. If you check out that middle console, Zach, check out that middle area where that button is. You can actually see the, there you go. You can actually see the park assist sensors, and then the one right next to it there, that is your automatic park assist. This will perpendicular and parallel park for you. Sweet. Back seats, yeah, it's a back seat. However, you do have heated outboard seats and your own heat vents in the back seat as well. So you got the comfort of the front as well in the rear. Mud flaps as well here, 19-inch polished aluminum wheels. Tow package is right underneath here. The power lift gate, of course. And of course, yes, it's all-wheel drive. Plenty of room back here, and seats fold down nice and flat as well. This is GMC certified pre-owned, so you get extra warranty, some maintenance visits, a whole lot of goodies from General Motors with this as well. And of course, wireless charging in the center and a nice heated steering wheel. That's probably my favorite thing on these new vehicles, a heated steering wheel. No more gloves in the winter. If you want to check this out, do so soon. Give us a call here, Mills GM, 218-829-3504, or visit us worldwide at millsgmcbaxter.com. Thanks for watching.